I wanted to say good afternoon to everybody, and I wanted to touch upon. Okay, there is a deer and a doe. I'm just gonna stand here while they're kind of taping, so because I never get these kind of shots ever. They're so cute and pretty. There's a lot of mosquitoes out today. Look at how cute they are. Thank God there wasn't a buck. That would have really been bad. Let me come over here. And get probably a better video of them this way. Here they are. They're kind of looking around. Thank God we're in the metro parks and they don't get aggressive here. Hey, here's the other side of the duck pond. This is way more interesting. They're shaking their tail feathers. There's one going that way. And then here's the lake that way. It's very pretty and majestic. To me, it's just like a very relaxing, happy day. There's nothing that makes your soul at ease than just looking at the peaceful nature. And to think people just want to take it down, put all their buildings and stuff. What do you need? If you have so much money, how much more things do you need? When you get to where you're going, when you die, you don't have to pay your bills. It's what that you did for people. So, I don't know. I just appreciate the little things and try to save what I can. But here's the ducks. Alright, now we're at one of me and Chong's favorite spots. Here's the little... It's a, you know, I forgot the name. I woke up and there we go. But here's a little waterfall. The ducks are kind of going over the waterfall. There's two over there. It's very nice and peaceful. You can't get more peaceful than this. This just kind of makes all the stuff that you have to deal with at work just a little bit better. Just seeing all this beauty. But I figured I'd share it with everybody because I thought it was very nice and pretty. Okay, we're supposed to be on Nature Watch, but apparently over there's a big baseball game. So now it's baseball watch. I believe it's baseball. It's a baseball field. But this is my good evening post. We're looking for a nature watch, but this is what happens when I'm looking for a nature watch place. Is this. And now he's gonna do that. We couldn't get any animals if we wanted to. All he wants to do is play with the kids. See, now he just wants to look all cute. But I just want everybody to know that me and Chong wish them a good night, and we hope their whole day was good. I'm gonna try to get a close-up because he's always moving his face. There we go. He never wants to take a picture with his face forward. He's always looking ahead. That's the way Chong is. But I hope your night's well, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Alright, we're on our second nature watch of the day. All we see is people playing baseball. So far it's baseball watch. So I'm hoping to look for critters. But the kids are running in the field, going back and forth. There's a lot of excitement going on. So I guess all the critters that I got earlier we'll probably have to do for now, because I don't see many critters here, just screaming kids, and there's horns blowing. So I don't know. I just want to say this was an attempt at a critter watch. Because there's really no critters out today. I don't know, there's all that chirping in the back. Besides them, there's literally no critters. I think all this excitement ran off the critters. So, I'm gonna just bid you guys a good night, and I hope everything goes well for everybody.